Carpets are a reservoir of stains, harmful allergens, and odor-causing bacteria. And vacuums only do half the job of cleaning your carpets. Introducing the Hoover Max Extract Carpet Washer. It makes deep cleaning carpets as easy as vacuuming them. Simply pull the trigger, push forward, and a high-pressure spray of water and Hoover's biodegradable, non-toxic Clean Plus detergent penetrates deep into the carpet to break up dirt and stains as the counter-rotating spin scrub brushes gently and thoroughly wash virtually every fiber. Pull back, and the powerful Max Extract Dual V nozzle technology suctions up the dirty water, while turbo-heated air is blown deep into the fibers, so your carpets dry quickly. The two-tank smart system makes filling and cleaning a snap. Simply remove this tank to fill, and remove this tank to drain and rinse. Nothing to disassemble, and no mess, like this other machine with a nasty internal plastic bladder to clean. Its 147-ounce capacity is larger than other leading competitive carpet washers. Its wider cleaning path means faster cleaning. The Max Extract comes with onboard tools, including a 9-foot hose with integrated brush for cleaning furniture, stairs, even your car interior.
Cleaning the carpets now is as easy as vacuuming the carpets.
Hoover, you have outdone yourself. Love it. Made my life really easy.
The Hoover Max Extract Carpet Washer is the easiest, most convenient way ever to deep clean your carpets. Take yours home today.